Here's what the WOWO Newsroom is working on.
I'm Chuck Rowe. It's Monday, May 20th, and a Fort Wayne man is in custody after he allegedly fired at a police officer during a domestic dispute. 33-year-old Daniel Spells is charged with attempted murder after the incident Friday on South Harrison. Police say they asked the man for ID. He pulled out a gun and began firing. He was immediately tackled by the officer. Nobody was hurt, but at least one bullet hit the hood of a passing car. A 5-hour standoff Sunday night ended early this morning as police entered a home on Stratton near Coldwater. A man had reportedly barricaded himself inside the home. He refused to come out. Police used tear gas, still couldn't get him out. They entered the home, took him into custody. He's now undergoing a psychological evaluation. All of this ending at about just after 3 o'clock this morning. And 21 people have been charged in a welfare fraud scam alleging that they illegally exploited welfare benefits to stock a Fort Wayne restaurant's kitchen pantry shelves. All of those charged are accused of conspiring in the scheme with Stanley Collins. He's the owner of Captain Black's Eatery. Collins was reportedly charged last week with felony theft, corrupt business influence, and welfare fraud. Get the latest on these stories and more. Newstalk 1190 WOWO, 92.3 FM, and always right here online. Just point your browser to WOWO.com.